Bitcoin and crypto in general plunging again this morning, now threatening Bitcoin at least to break under 30,000 and already below some of the recent lows that we've seen. All this sparked by news of an escalating crackdown on digital currencies in China. Joining us now with his take on Bitcoin's fall and where it perhaps finds some support, Mike Novogratz, Galaxy Digital founder and CEO. Mike, you initially thought 40 might hold. 40 did not hold. We're now at 30, and while we're talking with you right now, we may see a print with a 2 handle. There it is, 29,824. Where do you think the near-term and intermediate-term low will end up being? And I know it's total conjecture on your part.
Yeah, listen, so we had China, right, really be much more forceful in their idea to ban cryptocurrency. That's created a retail deleveraging, a run on the bank, if you would, with retail accounts, right? A lot of crypto happens in Asia. A lot is Chinese focused. And so we're seeing big liquidations. It's always hard to call a bottom. 30,000, we'll see if it holds on the day. We might plunge below it for a while and close above it. If it's really breached, 25,000 is the next big level of support. Listen, I'm less happy than I was when we were at 60,000, but I'm not nervous. We continue to see talent come into this space. I was talking to some of the big pension funds in America who are getting close to making their first investments in Bitcoin. And so I think we're going to see really a shift away from Asia to more to the developed world. Xi is about authoritarianism, and it seems every month he wants more control over his country. Bitcoin's about freedom. And so, people say, well, could it happen in America? Could it happen in Europe? The answer really is no. We vote for our politicians, right? Our politicians would be very, very leery, I think, to try to do something like China did.
Just technically, in past breaks, we've seen a pullback of much greater than 50% from the highs, which is approximately where we are right now. You don't think that's in the cards this time around? Like when we saw it, it was at 20 and it went back to 3 or 4. You don't see a similar. Is it possible?
The ecosystem is so much more mature. The amount of players that are moving in are so much more mature. Every single bank is working on their own crypto project, how they're going to get Bitcoin to their wealth clients. And I think a lot of clients that didn't buy it the first time will see this as an opportunity to finally get involved.
Well, Mike, okay, back to fundamentals. It's been pointed out that you can only mine a certain amount anyway, so it doesn't matter who it is. If China's not mining, it doesn't matter. But there was still a lot of interest in China among the Chinese people, and a lot of crypto trading. And even when they had to go to peer-to-peer or over-the-counter, whatever you want to call it, not from an exchange, that was still going on. And that's a big part. You're talking about 1 billion people or whatever. I mean, that's an important market for crypto. And
yeah,
so
100%. Listen, and why we're down 25% in the last week is because prices are set on the margin. When you start thinking you're going to take a chunk of your buyers out of the market, you're going to fall in price. What the Chinese have proven over and over, not just in the crypto era, but the last 30 years, if they want their money offshore, they find a way to get it offshore, right? And so I don't think you're going to see Chinese people stopping to participate in crypto. It's going to make it, the government's going to make it more difficult, 100%. But listen, the president of the country sent his daughter to Harvard. The last president, his kids all had U.S. passports. Chinese always want to hedge against an authoritarian regime. They don't want all their money in China, and crypto is freedom. And so I think you'll see the Chinese find plenty of ways to own Bitcoin.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.